So what's up guys, it's your favorite boy Scott Lava. You're now gonna be on to this episode on Reality Prank. I've got my bro here. Bro, what's your name?
My name is Mr. Kaz, man.
Mr. Kaz. So guys, Mr. Kaz messaged me on Facebook. He was like, Scott, I said, what's up, bro? He said, Scott, I would like me to play the loyalty test on my girlfriend. That has been he had so many things going on in his mind and between him and his girlfriend. So he wants me to play a loyalty test on his girlfriend. But guys, I want you guys to hear from him directly. Mr. Kaz, how long have you guys been dating?
We've been dating since 2020, oh guy, I swear.
Since 2020. On a relationship, pandemic relationship. You know how it be now. So, Mr. Kaz, I want to ask you a question. You truly love your girlfriend, right?
I love the girl. I love her.
You love her?
Yeah.
So why do you really want to play this loyalty test on her?
I just want to see if she's truly in love with me. Whether I'm suspecting that girl, she might be dating somebody else. She's doing a rematch. So let me just try to see whether she's for real. Right. Yeah.
But bro, that girl you showed me a picture, she's really pretty, but I feel maybe all pretty girls that actually the cheat, you understand? So sometimes let's just try and trust our girls. But bro, do you guys encounter issues in your relationship?
1 or 2 times, yeah, but we are fine actually.
Wow.
So, yeah.
So the issue is normal thing now. Now it be now. So bro, that test that you want us to play, you say you and the girl lodge for a hotel around here, Abi?
Yeah, we lodge for hotel, Milestone. So yeah.
Wow. So bro, you guys are not in Lagos, so you guys came to Lagos to spend time. Yeah. So you feel you want to play test on her.
I just want to see. Sorry.
That's nice. So bro, do you guys encounter issues in your relationship?
1 or 2 times, but we did fine. We were fine actually.
Yeah, you know how it be now. So bro, I want you to put your girlfriend's number here. May I call her for hook up?
Oh God.
Relationship go spoil, but this time around relationship not go spoil. You know how it be now. Okay, what's her name, please?
Yetunde.
Yetunde. Yeah. Hello, pretty. What's up?
I'm fine. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I know you'll be wondering who's the person calling you. My name is Abel.
Okay. My name is Yetunde.
Yeah, Yetunde. Yeah, I know. So basically, my friend gave me your number. I was like, I just came back from South Africa, so I'm lodged in one hotel around Lekki Aja. So
Please, can you hold on?
Okay.
Which of my friend gave you my number and she told you that I'm doing work?
No. She didn't. She actually.
What is no?
Let me explain what happened. What happened is.
Explain yourself.
What happened is I'm actually lodged somewhere. So I just told her that I need someone to just be for the night. And
did that night tell her that I'm doing work for me?
No, I'm not. She didn't tell me you're doing makeup, but me, I'm just telling you that. Okay. I'm just telling you that I want to call you for a prize, for my own prize, like 150,000 naira. If you can just come and hook up with me.
I've told you I'm not doing hook up. I'm not doing. Please leave me alone.
Yesterday is for a prize. Just listen to me. She got call.
She got the call.
I swear. Wait, calm down.
I better call her back.
And what is your girlfriend there? She know the cheat though. Just wait. She knows
that's the best.
Hello, calm down. Okay, calm down. Wait. Calm down. Can you hear me?
What do you want? I thought I'm not into hook up. What happened?
Okay, I understand. I'm sorry about the approach. But what if I'm giving you 200,000 naira?
200 kini.
200,000 naira. 200,000
naira. Repeat it again.
I said 200,000.
You have talked first now. You have put money in the phone now. You have.
I know something. I just know that you guys like money. I just know you guys like money, but wait.
Call it again, how much?
I'll give you 200,000 naira, trust me.
200,000.
Yeah.
See, do you know something? Let me know. I'm not into hook up. I swear I'm not into hook up. But see, I need money like this. See, I have a boyfriend though, and he trusts me. We trust each other very well. Oh, don't worry, Sha. Will you me to add something? No, just today. Oh.
No, I don't
Please,
have
only today. Oh. And I'm not sleeping over. Please, I'm not sleeping over.
I tried and I've tried. I can't do more than that. 200k is okay, please.
You put like 10,000 on top now.
Please, I can't do more than that. If you're not interested, please let me just go.
Oh yeah, wait now. 200k is not small money. Oh yeah.
I'll send address to you.
You will send half of. You send half payment.
Wait, I'm not going to send half payment. I'll give you the money when you come. Trust me, but let me send my address to you.
Okay, no problem.
Alright, I'll send it to you now. Check your WhatsApp.
Okay, I will check it.
Bro, calm down. Wait, calm down. See, wait, calm down. Okay, you know what's happening? See, we'll go my place now. My place now, not far from here, so we'll go there. Okay. So we'll go invite her. Come, she come for the.
Invite her. Come.
Don't worry. She go. She be that number. We give me her WhatsApp number.
Now how chat herself.
I go send the address to her. All right, let's go. Go. Hello.
Hello, yes.
Yeah, what's up now?
Yes, I'm at the address. I'm in front of the black gate.
Okay, front of the black gate.
Yes.
Okay, I'm coming there now. I'm coming there to pick you.
Okay.
Please, what color clothes are you putting on?
I'm putting on like blue and white mixed coloration.
All right, I'm coming there. Look, I beg. I want you to hide. To go hide for one place. Come follow me. So you just be observing through the talk. Wow. Welcome to my place. So what's up now? What's good now? So you give me you just came to just sat down. You want to hug me?
I want to be fast. I'm going.
You have to be fast. Don't worry, be fast. Trust me. So what's up now? You're cool with the price, right?
You give me to ask something.
You said?
You ask something. You know I don't do this. I just was like, I need money. That is why.
So you want me to put something at the bit?
No.
That's very small. Okay, you know what? You said 200k, right? You just give like 5k. Is that cool with me? I'll just add 5k to it. It's okay, right? You're making sweet, though. So let me get you take some drink away. So you can just change up. Right. Go see your girlfriend.
Jesus! What the?
It's not your girlfriend.
Hey! Babe! It's not like that! No, it's not like that! Do you plan it together? The two of you plan it together? I don't understand.
What are you asking me?
I'm asking
Calm down.
What is the meaning of this?
Calm down.
I'm not doing it. This is my first time.
Jesus.
I'm just trying to learn. I'm just trying. I don't even understand. I don't even know. Wait.
You want to see now? What's wrong with your tackle? What's wrong with you? Calm down. Don't leave her now. You don't take clothes. What's wrong with you? I'm so sorry.
You're spoiling my relationship. Relationship I've been keeping for how many years?
Calm down, please. It's okay. Let's go. Let's go.
What have I not done for you?
Let's go.
What have I not done?
Give me the number. Let's go.
What have I not done for you?
Bro, calm down now.
Everything.
Babe, I'm sorry.
She said you're sorry.
Oh my
Babe,
God.
please, I'm not trying this again.
God. What is this? Bro, this is a thing now. First way they say you don't reason, say you won't make the queen of your heart.
Babe, I'm not this my first time. This is my first time, please. Babe, please.
Please, let's go.
It's
okay, bro.
Make we go
And
house.
listen to me.
I'm not going with you.
For your life.
If you give your
Don't ever call
I
my
will
phone.
call you,
Don't ever.
please, I'm
See,
sorry.
I don't want to ever hear from you
we
again.
have got to your mom's
Follow me
place
now. Let's go home.
Let's just go outside, please. We'll get another clothes for you. Go, wait. Let's go, come, please, come.